Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the vehicle on and the screen active. First, put the ignition in ACC or on so the head unit powers up. Then tap Home, open Menu, and go to Setup or Settings. This is where Toyota stores Bluetooth controls. Once done, choose Bluetooth or phone. You'll see the list of paired devices. You do this to target the exact device entry. That prevents accidental removal of other phones and keeps the system stable as you proceed. You'll now remove the selected device from both car and phone. Highlight the device name in the paired list, then choose Delete, Remove, or Unpair. Options vary by model. Confirm the prompt. The head unit unregisters the device so it won't auto-connect. Make sure you also open the phone's Bluetooth settings and forget or remove the car profile there, because some phones will try to re-establish pairing automatically. Doing both sides prevents ghost connections. Finish by restarting the infotainment system or cycling the ignition to ensure changes stick. Some units need a power cycle to clear memory. Then confirm the device no longer appears and does not auto-connect. If the device persists, perform the unit's Bluetooth reset or clear all paired devices in settings. This acts as a stronger delete. Troubleshooting tip. If removal fails, forget the car on the phone, reboot the phone, then try again. Often the phone's cached profile is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.